Good Friday morning. This is Barry with Barry Chevy Parts, Langdon stove bolt adapter plates, Valley Customs tail housings, and now Walton Fabrication parts. So you can start looking us up at waltonfabrication.com, and we have the original Walton Fabrication parts up there, and we got a whole string of new and used parts available: glass, rubber, stainless. All right, you might remember a few months ago, customer brought me back a motor that we rebuilt. It ran beautiful while it was here. Come to find out, he put an oil filter on it. Well, no warranty for oil filters. We were able to, what happens if people understand, path of least resistance. Well, when you got especially a brand new motor, you have real tight clearances. You put an oil filter on there, and you're only filtering out 10% of the oil or so. And he suffered main bearing failure. So we built him another short block, used the same head, valve train, etc. All the bolt-ons are the same. He's getting a 61 block, no, 62 block. Unfortunately, that's what we had. Easy to go, and so we finally got this to run properly. It had a couple of vacuum leaks that we had to take care of, and so we've been running it a little bit this morning. Give it a squirt of gas. I think I'm going to flip his ring gear around. All right, time to contact customer. Tell them to come on by.